Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. Make sure your Blogger site is live and verified in Google Search Console. Once done, submit an XML sitemap or use the default feed so Google can index pages quickly. Next, check mobile usability and HTTPS. Google Discover favors secure, mobile-friendly content. You should also enable structured data where possible. These first actionable steps get your site visible to Google's systems. They set the foundation for Discover eligibility and early crawling. Now, focus on signals that influence Discover. Publish original, timely posts and use standout hero images at least 1,200 pixels wide to trigger high-quality cards. Once you optimize titles and meta descriptions for clarity, add structured data like article schema and image object where appropriate. Make sure images have descriptive alt text and are crawlable. You should mix evergreen guidance with trending topics to increase chance of surfacing. Keep publishing regularly so Google can finish by monitoring Discover performance in Search Console. Look for impressions, clicks, and top pages. If you don't see results, make sure pages are indexed, images are not blocked by robots. TXT and there are no policy violations. These are common blockers. Once you troubleshoot, remove thin content, fix page speed, and resolve any manual actions. As a key tip, if Discover still fails, test a high-quality, image-rich article and watch Search Console for indexing. That reveals the main problem quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.